What's up everybody, welcome to this tutorial video. In this video I will show you how to fix Brawl Stars no sound problem easy and quick. So go directly open the settings of your mobile phone, click apps option. Inside your apps option search for Brawl Stars and click. Guys, click on permission and make sure that you give permission to option that you will see here. For example, me, I didn't find anything, so I don't have to. Go back to the storage right now, click clear cache and back, click force stop, click OK. Move to Play Store, update your Brawl Stars, restart your mobile phone after this, and that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe